Okay, so we just finished up the hubs on Forest, got it out of the barn. We're going to go back to a little Brown Ranger for a little bit. What we got today is the dog's barking something. They're always barking something. Lighting. So let's get lighting right there. So we got gussets for the rock sliders. So we got to work on those. Finish welding up some stuff. We're going to finish the cross member in the back. So we have the cross members. We're going to finish that up. Get all these gussets in for our rock sliders. We got those cut and made. Both sides. Finish doing some welding on the back side here, up here. Get this into the frame. So we're going to tie everything from this point forward. From the rock sliders here, we're going to get that all tied up today. There's a cross member. We're going to cut it out. So, all right, you can see here we got this tied into the frame. Then we went. I cut a bunch of quarter, and now I'm going to set this up in here like such. Front to back, tighten everything up. So we got those two tied in here and here. We got the back one to do, and then the other side. Luke. Jesse, I am your father. I'm not out here today. These are our rock sliders. Okay, went down using 2x4 here and 1x2 out here with spaces. Put 6 of those down there like such. 2x2. 3 of those tying into the frame, and then some quarter plate up there for gussets. There, and there all the way down. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but that's a view of our rock sliders. Alright, knocked out the passenger side. It's doctored up, it's done. We got to let it cool. I'm going to shut the camera off, turn on the tunes, knock out the driver's side. Alright, so another compromising position on my crawler underneath the truck here. Got our rock sliders burned in, we're letting them cool down right now. We're going to work on getting this old cross member out. So we're taking this cross member out right here, all the way across to there. We got a new one going in just back here. Oh, off-roading. Kid on the quad. So anyway, so we're going to fire the saws all up and cut this out of our way. So let's do it. All right, that's the start. We'll clean all that up out of our way. Alright, rock sliders are installed. You can see them going down there. Gusseted front to rear. All welded up onto the frame. Cross member coming across right there. Or the first part of the cross member. And down the rock sliders going down this side. That's it. We got her. So we got to do a little bit of boxing and stuff. Got that other cross member cut out today. Probably a short video, but the fact is, it was a lot of work. So that's it for today. Damn, me and my light. So there we go. Rock sliders installed. So check us out, Muddy Boots Off-Road. And I want to thank everybody who has been supporting my page and my channel. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. keep watching, keep spreading the word, please. So thanks.